Oh, yikes. Okay, so we have officially landed in Costa Rica. It's New Year's Eve. We're gonna get out on the town, get some dinner, and check some things out and see what happens. Okay, so it turns out most places in San Jose, Costa Rica actually close for New Year's. We came back to the hotel, grabbed some Miller High Lifes, and rang in the new year, going to bed early. Now today we're off to where?
Fortuna area. Closer to the lake though.
Got to drive like
3 hours?
3 hours or so. Pretty much the La Fortuna and the Arenal volcano. Here we go.
Oh, biker. They're like cats with their tail. Oh my god, there's so many just running.
Just wants to come in. Ruth 2.0. Actually, we should call her Costa Rican Ruth.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Insane.
Yeah. Day 2 of Costa Rica, Juge. How do you feel?
Relaxed. And successful. Views incredible. New cat. Lovely.
Costa Rican Ruth.
Yeah, but she has a wound.
Yeah, she's a stray. We're a little bit nervous, but you know,
Oh, she's fine.
we'll be okay.
It's probably fine.
On to day 3 tomorrow for some hiking and volcano scene.
Go team.
Go team.
I like it. It was crocodile, right?
It's crocodiles. Tomorrow, Julie and I are flying to Costa Rica. What she doesn't know is that I'm gonna propose to her. So, wish me luck.
Wait, is this real?
Is this not real?
Did she leave? I love you so much.
Yeah.
Of course. This is why you were telling me to take my bag off?
No. Well, yes. But no, a little bit. Oh, I can't believe I did it with this like this.
I did too, like this. Are you serious?
Yeah, that's completely serious.
When did you serious? How did you do this? I'm so confused.
She said yes. Yeah, boy. Pretty cool spot. Oh, don't fall. And then a volcano over there.